SAP HCM Time Management Interview Questions and Answers. What is SAP HCM Time Management? SAP HCM Time Management is a component of SAP's Human Capital Management Suite that focuses on managing and tracking employee working hours, attendance, absences, overtime, and shift planning. What are the key features of time management in SAP HCM? Key features include time recording, absence management, attendance tracking, shift planning, overtime management, and integration with payroll and personnel management. What are the different types of time management infotypes? 1. Infotype 2001, absences. 2. Infotype 2002, attendances. 3. Infotype 2006, absence quotas. 4. Infotype 2003, substitution. What is the purpose of absence quota in SAP HCM? The absence quota is used to track the total number of days or hours an employee is entitled to for different types of leave, such as vacation, sick leave, or personal leave. Explain the difference between attendance and absence in SAP time management. Attendance refers to the employee's actual working time, hours worked, while absence records the time an employee is absent from work, such as vacation, sick leave, or personal leave. What is time evaluation in SAP HCM? Time evaluation is the process of calculating the actual time worked by an employee, based on their time entries, and then determining how much is payable for the given period, including calculating overtime, shift allowances, and absence deductions. What is the role of the work schedule in time management? The work schedule determines the working hours, breaks, and the days on which an employee should be available to work. It helps in managing employee shifts and attendance. What is a substitution in SAP time management? A substitution allows one employee to temporarily take over the role of another in case of absence or leave. The system will automatically assign the substitution to the same time type as the original employee. What is the purpose of the clock times and elapsed time types in SAP? Clock times records the exact times an employee starts and finishes their work, while elapsed time calculates the total time worked between the start and end times, including breaks. How does SAP handle different time recording methods? SAP can handle various time recording methods, including manual entry, time recording via terminal devices, clock in, clock out systems, and electronic timesheets. What is an attendance type in SAP HCM time management? An attendance type is used to classify different types of time worked by an employee, such as regular hours, overtime, or shift work. What are the different ways to manage shift work in SAP? Shift work can be managed through the work schedule rules, shift planning, and time management infotypes that help allocate shifts, track working hours, and manage overtime and absenteeism for employees working in shifts. What is the difference between work schedule rule and work schedule? A work schedule rule defines the working hours, work days, and breaks, while the work schedule is the specific schedule assigned to an employee or group of employees based on the rule. How does SAP integrate with payroll for time management? SAP integrates time management with payroll by transferring the recorded work hours, absences, and overtime to the payroll module, where the data is used to calculate the employee's pay based on the agreed upon salary and benefits. What is time quotas in SAP HCM time management? Time quotas are used to define the number of hours or days an employee is entitled to for certain time types such as vacation, sick leave, or other leave types. These quotas are accumulated and deducted as employees take leave. What is the purpose of negative time recording in SAP? Negative time recording allows employees to only record their absences or leave. The system assumes that the time worked is automatically the remaining time after the absence is recorded, simplifying time tracking for employees with regular working hours. What are time evaluation schemas in SAP? Time evaluation schemas are a set of predefined rules and processes in SAP used to evaluate employees' time data. These schemas include calculations for regular time, overtime, absences, and other special time-related conditions. What is the role of time management status in SAP? The time management status determines whether the time entry is valid and how the system should process the time data, such as whether the time is to be paid, deducted, or ignored. What is a time type in SAP Time Management? A time type categorizes different types of time, such as regular working hours, overtime, sick leave, vacation, and other absence types. It helps to track time according to different categories and is integral to the time evaluation process. How does SAP HCM Time Management handle public holidays? SAP HCM Time Management uses holiday calendars to define public holidays for different regions or countries. It adjusts employees' working schedules based on these holidays and ensures that they are not scheduled to work on public holidays unless specifically required.